Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today. We're diving into an incredibly exciting and sometimes controversial topic: AI versus human. What's the future? We'll explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping our world and where humans fit in this evolving landscape. Let's get started. AI is making waves across every industry: healthcare, finance, education, even entertainment. It's clear that AI is not just a futuristic concept, but something we deal with every day. But as AI continues to advance, one question remains: where do humans fit in this future? Will AI replace us, or can we coexist and collaborate? Today, we'll explore both the potential clash and cooperation between AI and human intelligence. Let's first consider what humans bring to the table. We excel in areas that are tough for machines to replicate: emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and respond to emotions, is something machines can't truly grasp. We make moral decisions, use creativity to innovate, and adapt quickly in unpredictable environments. Humans also bring cultural awarenesses and intuition, something AI is still learning. These are areas where human intelligence is irreplaceable. Now, let's turn the focus to AI. What does it bring to the table? Speed and processing power are where AI truly shines. It can analyze massive amounts of data at a scale and speed humans can't match. It works tirelessly without fatigue or emotion and is available 24/7. AI is incredible at task automation, repetitive tasks that are time consuming for humans. It's not about replacing humans, but helping them perform more efficiently. So, how do humans and AI compare in different aspects? Here's a quick breakdown. Humans learn from experience and often rely on intuition, while AI learns from massive datasets and data driven algorithms. Emotions are at the core of human intelligence. But AI lacks emotional awareness. In creativity, humans excel in abstract thinking, while AI is still limited to specific patterns. Both have strengths in decision making, but humans bring an intuitive element that AI lacks. And in okay, terms of flexibility, humans can adapt to diverse situations, but AI is generally designed for specific tasks. Despite these differences, there are so many areas where humans and AI can collaborate. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical data to assist with diagnosis, while human doctors provide compassionate care and make complex medical decisions. In education, AI can offer personalized tutoring, but humans are needed for mentorship and social learning. In business, AI can automate processes, but human leadership is crucial for making strategic decisions. And in creative industries, AI tools can enhance human design and artistic expression. This synergy is the future of innovation. However, there's also competition. Many jobs are at risk due to automation, like data entry, telemarketing, and transportation. But don't worry, AI is mostly replacing tasks, not entire professions. New roles are emerging like AI ethicists, prompt engineers, and even jobs that didn't exist a few years ago. The key here is reskilling. As AI evolves, we'll need to stay ahead of learning how to work with it, not just fear it. So, what does the future look like? It's not an AI versus human scenario. The future will likely be one of the coexistence, but only if we adapt and work together. Humans will continue to guide AI development, providing purpose and ethics. Future jobs will require both tech skills and human centric skills like creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. However, it's essential to create ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks to ensure that AI is used responsibly. So, how can we prepare? First, we need to embrace AI and learn how to work with it, not against it. We should focus on building skills in creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, the areas where humans still have the edge. Stay updated with AI trends, tools, and advancements. And very importantly, we must support ethical AI development, ensuring that AI benefits society as a whole. To wrap up, AI is undeniably powerful, but humans are irreplaceable in many areas. It's not about competition, it's about collaboration. Together, AI and humans can create a future that's more efficient, more creative, and more inclusive. The key is to embrace the potential of AI while nurturing the unique qualities that make us human. Thank you.